and welcome back to Mastering Qt. In the previous episode, we looked at QCheckbox. Moving forward, we are going to be building on top of that and working with the QComboBox. The QComboBox is going to allow a user to select the desired input with a drop-down menu, with values and parameters, which can be used for the internal decision-making and application functionality. To begin, we are going to include the new class and create our own custom class that inherits from the base class. This is going to allow us to modify and manipulate our widget for our custom use case. Follow along as I set up the new custom class. We can take a look through the QComboBox base class, and we can see some of the functions we will be able to utilize. To keep the initial video simple, we will implement a custom constructor and then override the paint event, allowing us to customize some part of QComboBox. With our custom constructor, we see that our input data is a string list. We can go ahead and iterate through the values and add them to the ComboBox as items. Now let's head back to the main window and set up our custom combo box to be used. We can create our input data and pass the values into our constructor. With that set up, calling repaint is going to allow us to force the combo box to be repainted. We can then add it to a layout and display it. We need to hop back over to our paint event function that we were overriding and call the base class to trigger the repaint. You can now see the drop-down menu function and select between different parameters. Now we can implement our customization within our paint event. For this example, we are going to be changing the text color based on the user selection through the drop-down menu. We're going to be using the style sheets to do these modifications. We can see that all the text now is red. We want to make cases for all the other selections. That is going to wrap up the simple dive into QComboBox and some of the easy modifications you can make to create your applications and make them look better. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe to keep learning about Qt and its capabilities. I'll see you in the next one.